K-Beauty Advent Calendar time. We're gonna do days 19 through 25, splitting it up between today and tomorrow's vlog. Day 19, cute little skillet with eggs and a pancake. Extreme Gel Presso pencil liner in black brown. From Miss Cleo, don't you know? Comment below and if you remember Miss Cleo. Miss Cleo is the woman who inspired the Liver King. How to Scam People 101. Extreme Gel Pro pencil liner. That's what we're working with. We got a big drawer here on Stylevana day 19. Ooh, I see snail. Gotta be careful with gold. It can be irritating to the skin. We've got a little shovel wrapped in cellophane. Hydrogel eye patches. Actually, I've been making my way through the Pyeongkang Yule ones. Chondrus crispus, that is a marine extract, very hydrating. Snail secretion filtrate, also very hydrating, has compounds in it that may be helpful for healing, but this has a ton of fragrance in it. And the gold. Day 20, little oven. Vegan rice milk moisturizing cream from Goodall. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, but I have heard good things about Goodall. Gentle moisturizing cream containing vegan rice milk and aqua ceramide builds a comfortable moisture film to help strengthen skin barrier for 24 hours. That's a pretty sizable tube that we get, 70 mLs. Looks like a nice lightweight to creamy facial moisturizer. There's your texture. Here we are at day 20, way back there. Ooh, this looks interesting. That's what it looks like. Just an under eye concealer. Here we are at day 21. Too Cool Art Class Shading Master Shading and Brush Kit. Ooh, you get a little brush. Ooh, we've got a sunscreen from Make Prem. I did not get along well with their sunscreens, but I think this one is new. I believe this has Uvinol A+ and some other chemical filters. Ooh, strong fragrance. Oh yeah, this is a no-go for me. I don't care what it looks like. Oh, the scent is really bad. It does look nice. The scent doesn't linger, at least. And we're gonna finish today off with day 22 of Yes Style. Where's it at? Oh, little drawer here. Ooh, I'm kind of excited for this. I remember seeing these at Cosmoprof when we went to Las Vegas together, these lip masks from CosRX, and I really wanted to try one out and then kind of forgot about it. So excited to have that. There's a little spatula tucked in there nicely. There's the full size. It's got shea butter, which helps reduce water loss. Ceramide, good for the moisture barrier. Doesn't appear to have any flavorants or fragrance. It has coconut oil. Some people find that coconut oil causes acne-like breakouts. Mango seed butter, jojoba seed oil. All right, I'm looking forward to trying this. The CosRX Ceramide Lip Butter Sleeping Mask. Let me know if you've tried these, fan. I don't care for the Laneige sleep mask. It actually dries my lips out. But I was pleasantly surprised by the Tatcha Kissu lip mask. Like, I was shocked how much I like that. So I look forward to seeing how this compares to that, because that one is not cheap. All right, so that'll do it for today. Make sure you come back tomorrow, because we're gonna be doing days 22 Stylevana all the way through the last day, day 24 of the Yes Style K-Beauty Advent Calendars. Oh, I got a new coffee from iHerb just to try, this Portland Coffee Roasters. It's pretty good, but it's no Raven's Brew. If you're a coffee lover, you need one of these. They keep the coffee clipped closed so it doesn't spill all over the place, and they allow you to scoop the coffee out. I know you needed an explanation, so there you go. So I swung into the library this week and picked up this Bean by Bean, a cookbook. Oh my gosh, this book is amazing. It's not vegan, but the majority of the recipes can be made vegan. And a lot of the recipes, there'll be like specific notes on how to make the recipe vegan or vegetarian. So I really like that. It's a really good book, and there's writing that went into this too. It's not just the recipes. There's info behind the history of the recipes. Well, hey guys, I'm over here at Target. I came over here because I need to pick up a few last minute holiday items. I'm listening to Why We Sleep. Love this book. But did you know there is a sleep related traffic fatality every hour? People who are chronically sleep deprived, meaning getting like less than 7 hours of sleep a night, can doze off into these little micro sleeps and just completely lose awareness of everything that's going on around them. They don't know that they're doing it. And that little micro sleep can cause them to like shift to another lane and for there to be a traffic fatality. Then there are people who are like severely sleep deprived, meaning they haven't slept for like 24 hours, 20 hours, and they too pose a threat to safety. I'm telling you, sleep deprivation, it's akin to being intoxicated with alcohol behind the wheel. It's a serious public health issue. Doesn't get enough attention. I am wearing this pullover that I've had for over a year now from Varley Vine. It's so comfortable, and I like it because it's got this nice zipper. You can put it up around your neck if you want. On my cheeks, I'm wearing that Etude House stain that I got in one of the advent calendars. I've been liking that so far. I also used one of the brow pencils that I got from one of the calendars. I'm losing track of which item came from which calendar. But yeah, so far, what have I been using from those calendars the most? The Pyeongkang Yule eye patches. I'm really excited about the face cream that we got today by Goodall. I'm pretty stoked for that because it seems like a nice facial moisturizer. I don't know about those gold eye patches though that we got today. Anyway, I'm gonna buzz into Target. Wish me luck because it's crowded here. I've got my handy dandy little Kedzie bag that I got in New York. You can get these on Amazon. I love it. I mean, you can switch up the straps. I'm not doing a great job showing you guys. You can switch up the straps and make it like a crossbody with this loop, but it holds a ton of stuff. Like my camera, and there's a pouch here that holds a lot. There are my keys down there. These rings, I'm just doing like a little what's in my bag impromptu. These key rings, these Oventure key rings, I love them because when you're carrying in a bunch of like groceries and you need your keys in your hand, you can just wear it like a bracelet, and that way they don't drop out of your hand easily. I'm one of those people when I'm bringing stuff in like from the grocery store or whatever, I am like, I can carry it. How cute these little sugar cookie kits, the hot cocoa one. Look at the little coffee mugs. So adorable. Let's have a stadium for elves versus reindeer. Mini village. I like that, the letters to Santa. Then they also have a little beach house. That's cute. Little temptation section. You know, you come in here for one thing, but they have everything displayed to tempt you. Pandora flakes. What in the blueberry blue moons? Okay. Dark chocolatey hot cocoa toppers. These look like just chocolate covered rice cakes. Am I right? Oh no, it's a marshmallow. Okay, I was gonna say. Kind of looks like a rice cake. So I heard that Tarte came out with a new tubing mascara, and I kind of want to try it out because I love the Thrive Cosmetics tubing mascara so much. Aha, here it is. Tartelette tubing mascara. The travel size, perfect. Where is it at though? Camera lashes. I guess they're sold out. Oh well. I have it over here. $24 for the full size. You can get all of these. I didn't care for Maneater or this other one. Lights Camera Lashes. I thought those were a bit overhyped. So I'm hoping I'm not going to be disappointed with this. was hoping they had the travel size like they were advertising, but I'm not seeing it. Okay, I'm actually shocked because I bought this top this summer back in like August, and I would assume it would be like gone, but it looks like they have come out with the same top again, which rarely ever happens at Target. It's very comfortable. Looks like Kristen Hanna came out with some new books, Distant Shores. I always enjoy her. Might do that on Audible. Summer Island. Ooh, I bet that's good. The Overstory. Has anyone read this? The Pulitzer. Click Art. Retractable marker pen. I wonder if these are any good. I'm in the market for some new pens. I've been really good, you guys. It's been like, I want to say 6 months since I've purchased any writing utensils. I love these Pilot G2s. Check out the pretty sky. Well, hey guys, I'm all out of the shower. Just put together a few little video clips for the TikTok, hoping to keep, you know, the kids safe from all of the nonsense out there. I see so much on that app that just, it baffles me how it can exist and how people can just eat it up. Let me know in the comments if you are on TikTok, what you think of it. People keep saying like there are good things on there, fun things. I don't know. I'm just shown nonsense. Actually, that's not true. There are a lot of comedians that I follow that crack me up. Like there's this one guy who does this impression of like a mom from the South, and just the things that he says cracks me up. So his impressions are spot on to people I knew as a child. All right, so update on this Hitomi skin conditioning gel. This is the second application. I put it on tonight. I put it on over the May Love Fade Away Serum. So far, so good. It's completely dry, so I'm going to come on in with tretinoin. One little friendly reminder, when it comes to tretinoin, retinol, you only need one. You only need one. Having a couple of different products with retinol, you know, in using multiple different products with retinol, say you're going to use, you think you're going to use one night and another the next night, I would not recommend doing that. It just increases the risk of irritation. See, the deposition and the release of the retinol to the skin, it varies a lot with the vehicle and the penetration. So using multiple products, you kind of can get butting of the heads and just excessive irritation doing it that way. But I do get questions like, because I put moisturizer on first, by the time it dries and absorbs, you should have no issue putting retinoid over. It will penetrate. I always make sure to take it out all the way to here. This area right here, that's golden territory, and you can get a lot of sun damage there. I say that because if you ever have some kind of like skin cancer or something on your face, you have to remove it and then cover the hole where they took the skin cancer out. A lot of times they're going to borrow skin from over here. Keeping this as healthy as possible, ultimately that's going to make the reconstruction go a lot better and the healing and everything. I know that's like very extreme proactive, but I'm just thinking to myself, like, I can't believe there are only a few weeks left in the year. I filmed that hair video I was teasing you guys with, my hair care favorites of the year, and so stay tuned for that. That should go up this week during the week. It always confuses me because I talk to you guys in the future because I'm here on a Sunday, but you're going to see this a week from now. So the videos are filmed a week in advance when it comes to the vlogs specifically. So I never really know what other skincare videos are up at that point by the time you guys watch. So I have to make sure I don't confuse myself and then subsequently confuse you guys in the process. And be like, what is she talking about? What video? I can't find it anywhere because it's not up yet. But yeah, that'll be coming, the hair care favorites of the year. Just five. I like keeping it to 5, the top 5 in each category of it, you know, in each video. This past week, for example, should be up already. I filmed a best sunscreens of 2022. And I hope y'all enjoy that one. You know, the Uvamune from La Roche-Posay, that ingredient, it's amazing. I'm really excited about that filter. And then, you know, last year, the innovative ingredient in sunscreen was Triazorb from the makers of Aven. And Triazorb is a filter that can absorb visible light, which for people who have deeper skin tones and have hyperpigmentation that they're trying to fade, that filter really shows a lot of promise for them because it can block those pro-pigmenting wavelengths of visible light that make that discoloration more stubborn. So that's was a really exciting ingredient, and I ended up using that sunscreen again this year as a body sunscreen. I really like it a lot, Aven Intense Protect. And the new Uvamune from La Roche-Posay, I think those are the most sophisticated sunscreens that I've come across at this juncture. Previously, I was enamored by the La Roche-Posay Shaka Fluid from the European market, but I think the Shaka Fluid, correct me if I'm wrong, but what I can gather, I think it's been replaced by the new sunscreen with the Uvamune. The new fluid has replaced that. Let me know, but I'm pretty sure that's a thing. Like, there's no more of the OG Shaka Fluid. So if you hate that new filter, you hate the formulation with a new filter, and you loved Shaka Fluid, let me know if that's what you've encountered, because it sucks, you know, and as great as it is to have a new ingredient, it sucks when you had a sunscreen that was like your holy grail, you loved it, and then they change it, and you're like, oh god, I have to start all over again finding a sunscreen that I like enough to use and wear. So hopefully if that happened to you, you ended up liking the new formulas. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you're having a great time doing so and enjoying the holiday season. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.